Hi, and welcome to my channel. It's me, Tina. Today I am here to share some products that were sent to me by PandahallSelected. They asked me if I would like to try some of their products, and they let me pick out what I would like to use. So, everything their website will be linked down below. The products will be linked down below. And I also want to mention this is not Panda Hall. It's called PandahallSelected. So it's a different company than Panda Hall. So yeah, that's what that is. And I will leave it right there for you to see. So I will take out my first item. And I did take it out of the little bag. It comes very well packaged. It comes in its own little storage unit in the storage container. These are little, not little, they're beads. And let me see if I can find my... I did have a little measuring guide here, but I can't find it now. But anyway, they are beads, and they come on strands, which I really like, because sometimes, you know, you just want to use one strand at a time. So you can put them all in here, but they come in strands. So it comes in 4 strands, this one. Its own little container, and you can also keep them in the ones that you don't open, or the ones that you open you could put in the little bag. But these are blue, and they are they're not all the same color. If you can see, they kind of like change color as you move them. Like, look at that. They look dark, and then you look up close and then they're lighter. I really like that. And they come nicely on strands, so you don't wind up losing half of them. So I'm just going to put them in here and put this little bag in here just in case I want to use the little bag. And I love it that they come in such a nice little container. I just love that. Then my next item is a big one. It came in this bag, very nice and secure. Then it came in this package, and then it also came wrapped up in, in this little packaging here that you have to open, which, yeah, it makes it really nice and secure. So you have to open this, and they do not fly around and get damaged and stuff. And I will be back to make some to do some crafts with this. And then it comes in this awesome container, and it has 10 little compartments. So yeah, each little compartment has its own beads, and it, you know, you can store all the different colors. And look how beautiful they are. Oh my goodness. They are gorgeous. Let me see if I can show you. This is like a gunmetal color. Where are we here? I don't know if you can see that one. And then this is like a purple, the next one. Let me see if I can grab it. I know I can grab them better like this. And they're pretty good size. They're the size that I wanted. See, and that's why it's so nice. They come in their little compartments. So that's the purple one. Here is the silver one. Beautiful. And here is the... what color would this be? It's kind of like a tan color. I love that. And then this is the black. Oh, this is gorgeous. These are going to be gorgeous charms. And then this is the rose gold. That one. And then this is the red. And they have a nice hole, nice size hole in the middle. This is like the pearl. And here's kind of like a yellowish one. Okay, come on. Yeah, here's like a yellowish one. Very nice. And then here is like a rose pink. And I think all that I'm missing is the purple one. Let me grab a purple one here. Come on. Okay, so a purple one and this one that's kind of like the, I would call it like a gunmetal. So that is all of them. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Yep. Look how beautiful that is. I love it. So thank you very much, PandahallSelected, for sending me these products. And I will be doing some projects with these, and I'll come back to show you. And we'll talk to you soon. Thanks so much. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to go check out the links down below. And I will have these 2 products linked on the bottom also. Thank you. Bye.